Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add different accounts on Wallet, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. At the home page you can see near your cash balance the add account icon. Click on that. And now you can see that you can choose an account type. There is the bank sync. Connect to your bank account, synchronize your transactions to wallet automatically. So here you have to give your country, the bank name and other information. After that, the file import. Update your account by importing your transactions as data files to wallet via email from any source, including your bank. So here you can create an account name. You have to give your bank account number. You have to select the type, the account type, after the currency, and you can select a color for this new account for import. Okay, and after that, the manual input. Update your account manually. You can import your transactions or connect to account to your bank later if you wish. So here as well, you have to give your account name, bank account number, type, initial value, currency, and you can set up a color for this account type. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.